welcome to 9th SANEM Annual Economist Conference. So there is a requirement to take a photo. Thank you. Unless you have a good photo, I think the whole objective of this conference will be lost. You need a good photo. But thank you once again. I think it's an excellent opportunity. We could have actually more people sitting here, but we requested many of the participants to actually spread over the parallel rooms because we'll be starting the next session in 10 minutes or so. So, but again, it's our privilege, and we feel very honored to have you here. And we started our conference yesterday evening, and you know that with the keynote speech of Professor Shanta Devarajan, and then Dr. Kunal Sen, or Professor Kunal Sen, he was the discussant, and that program was attended by very eminent economists and development practitioners from all over the world. But we are looking forward to very intense discussion, engagement over the next 2 days. If you look at the agenda, it's very, I would say, dense. And I'm really grateful to all the paper presenters, chairs, discussants, and panelists to participate in this conference. There are friends from other South Asian countries too, and we are very much thankful to them because we are in a very volatile and kind of very turbulent time now. And given all these things, we are here now. One more thing, we were supposed to have this conference in January, but because of the then political situation, we decided to postpone it that time, and we are not quite sure when we can hold it. But now we are here and we are holding it. I'm quite sure that the way we really wanted to. And again, I think we sincerely welcome to all of you in this particular conference. So we are here, this is the team of SANEM, or you can say the leadership team. I request now Professor Bozlo Khondokar, the chairman of SANEM, to say you a few words and welcoming you. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. I think Salim has already talked about give a very good introduction to this year's conference. So just to follow with him, I'd like to welcome you all to this 9th SANEM Annual Economist Conference. And we at SANEM take pride that this SAIC has evolved into a very well-respected and well-accepted platform that allows seasoned as well as young economists or researchers to present their work. I think this year, there is no exception. I think we believe that there are more than 80 participants, experts, researchers will present their work. And we also believe that, as Salim has just said, that over this conference, we will be able to find out new ideas, solution to the challenge that confronting us. With that, I like to open this conference. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. And if you look at the agenda, Professor Khondokar, as he said, that we have actually so many sessions on very relevant topics, starting from macroeconomy to labor market to political economy to poverty, inequality, social exclusion, environmental challenges, decarbonization, and several aspects of energy prices and energy sector as well, the Middle Eastern crisis, how it's going to affect the countries in South Asia, agriculture, industry, export, trade, and many. And then the kind of tradition what we have created over the last more than a decade or so, that we really encourage young researchers to work on empirical issues and come up with empirical papers or even theoretical papers to present and discuss with the kind of senior economists here and then exchange their ideas. So I request all of you to engage over the next 2 days. We have tried to keep sufficient break time during this tea or coffee breaks. I'm not quite sure how efficient we will be in managing those, because we have seen that in some cases session overflows and it actually eats up those timing, what we have kept for tea breaks or lunch break. But we will try to actually, be on time because I know that, as I said, it's a very dense program. I know that we initially decided that two of us will speak, but I'm a bit tempted to just hear from Mahtab, Zubair, and Tisha very briefly. Welcome you.
No, thank you so much, sir.
And Mahtab is the research director of SANEM.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. It's always a pride to be here, with all of you and all the participants. So I look forward to the exciting papers that we have throughout these 2 days, today and tomorrow. And I'm quite sure you are excited as well. So just look at the agenda and the sessions and the papers. Those are selected for presentation. So particularly the one thing you'll find for sure is that all the topics are very relevant for not only for South Asia, I would say. It's very relevant in the context of current global crisis. So I believe through this conference, we'll be able to deliver some of the key points that we can take forward in ensuring global or sustainable development. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahtab. Ishrat Hossain Tisha, director of SANEM.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. I am Ishrat Hussain. I'm working as a director at SANEM. I welcome you at the ninth SAIC, conference of SANEM. And I must say that there are a very few opportunities like this kind of conference in Bangladesh. And I welcome you to the opportunity to learn and to enjoy the overall experience. Thank you.
Thank you, Tisha. Zubair Hussain, director program.
Good morning. Welcome you all to this 9th edition of SANEM Annual Economists Conference. This has become, I would say, an immense platform for the researchers, especially people like us, economists. So we welcome you all. Hopefully the next 2 days, today and tomorrow, will be interesting for all of you. Actually, your participation and engagement encourage us a lot. So we look forward to engaging with each of you. And thank you very much for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you, Zubair. Thank you, my team. And this is it. This is the very small inauguration. And we now move to the next session. Thank you so much once again.